Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the CAD editor for the page you want to update. This gets you straight to action. Click Add Element and choose Link, Button, Text, Image, or Embed so you can attach a destination. Once the element appears, open its Settings panel and pick the Link option. This is where you enter a URL or select a page anchor. Make sure to use full URLs, https, // for external sites. This avoids mixed content issues and ensures links resolve correctly. Once the URL field is filled, decide how the link should behave and why. Choose Target Self to keep users on the same tab or blank to open a new tab. If you use blank, add rel equals noopener to improve security and performance. For on-page navigation, use anchors like #contact and ensure the target section has the matching ID. If you need analytics, append UTM parameters or add custom attributes via an embed element so clicks can be tracked by your analytics tool. Now preview your site and test each link on desktop and mobile to confirm behavior and target accuracy. Don't skip this step because mobile quirks are common. When everything looks right, publish the site so changes go live, and then clear your browser cache if the previous URL still appears. If a link fails, check the protocol, HTTPS versus HTTP, verify anchor ID match exactly, and disable any content blockers or custom scripts that may intercept clicks. Correcting these usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.